Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to share the Coco Daisy August kit, and they sent it to me to share with you, and I am going to make a few projects with it. They're really cute kits, and I'm going to have the links below in case you want to get one for yourself. I love yellow. Ooh, this is really pretty. I love this. And this one is called Spice Market, and it's apparently inspired by Marrakesh. This is really cute. And here we have these stickers. Yeah, so there's two of them, I believe. Some plates. Ooh, I love these. And plants. I do love a good citrus plant. These are like washi stickers, and this looks a lot like the stamp, not exactly the same, but pretty similar. And this one is like a washi sticker kind of material. It's translucent. And then we have the plates. These are regular stickers, and these are labels. Love the labels. I was a big fan. Guys, look at this. It's so beautiful. But I love the font. Really pretty. Love the color too. And numbers. It's not a lot to ask for, you see? Like a small part of it. I love these pouches. Ooh. This is true. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. And this is just a little link to their YouTube channel. Oh, these are really gorgeous. They are glittery. I don't know if you can appreciate it. I love the colors. And these are the journaling cards. Oh, I don't want to like break it. Okay, and it says August, and they are double-sided. Really gorgeous. Love this. Love this. So these are so going to my Project Life. Speaking of Project Life, I just printed about 2 months worth of photos, and I already put those in my album. If you want to see my process for doing that, I have a video on my YouTube channel, and I'll try to link it in the cards. Really gorgeous. Oh, I love this. I used to do a lot of mail art, but not anymore. Love mandalas. These patterns aren't like tiles. I love tiles, like specifically the older ones with very beautiful patterns. Gorgeous. Love this one too. I always love a few where I can add my journaling, and I like a mix. I love the grid pattern because it lets me use my handwriting. Oh, I love this one. I got so much procrastinating done today. Oh, this one I love, between the color and that mandala pattern. And yes, this one is this one. Oh, it's beautiful. Now I want to stamp it in white. So gorgeous. Okay, move this a little bit, and then we have 2 die cut packs. I'm gonna get this one out real quick. I love acetate die cuts. These are gorgeous. Love that rainbow. Gorgeous. They are not the same pattern. They look similar, but they are not the same at all. And then we have these. It has some stamps, some tags, more stamps. Oh, so beautiful. Some tags. They're kind of vintage, but fresh. I don't know if that's a style. It may be the citrus. And a bunch of beautiful stamped die cuts. They're gorgeous. And I love how thick they are too. Because I have a few vintage stamps that are used, but of course these stamps, they're really thin and they're quite fragile, so I have to be careful. This is so cool. Absolutely love this. And these are the 4x6 cards. Okay. Love the patterns, the colors, and purple. I love purple, and there's not enough. Project Life. Oh, I love this one. This is so cute. The most beautiful things in life are not things. They're people and places and memories and pictures. They're feelings and moments and smiles and laughter. I love this one. I love this watercolor effect. The beautiful stamps. So cute. And you guys know me, I've never met a little word sticker sheet that I didn't like. And this is typewriter. A little bit more faded than the ones Simple Stories had at the beginning, but it has a similar typing font. But love it. Oh, and these are chipboard stickers. Really pretty. More. Oh, these are robins. Ooh, how cute is that? Yeah, because some days I want to do this, but I don't want to wait for it, or I'm not in the mood. Really cute. Love this font. Super tiny. I love the color too. And we have some sheets. Ooh, they're double-sided. Gorgeous. I'm obsessed with the stamps. Really beautiful. Oh, I love this one. There's 2 of each. Very beautiful. Oh my god. Let me see what's my favorite thing. I love the cards. The cards are gorgeous, but I always go with cards that I'm like biased. I'm gonna go with the stamp. My top 3, the stamp, the alphas, and these die cuts. with the stamps. I love the purple. So it's a really beautiful collection. I'm going to have the link below in the description box. That way you can get it if you like to. And I can't wait to share with you some projects using this kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!